Hey, Jordy,
Yes.
what's this?
This guy? I'm waiting to open this. This is, let's just open it. Let's put it over there. Nice. So AS Color sent us this because, as you can see in this clip,
We'll have to get one of these in your shop.
100%. Clive told us he'd send us one. Let's fucking put it together. Let's build a cool thing. We're gonna see how fast we can put this thing together. Hey Siri, start a stopwatch. Place your bets below. Hashtag DraftKings promo. We'll peel this off at the end. Should we do it with or without instructions?
Whatever's fastest.
Without it is. 2 minutes, 30 seconds.
Over or under 10 minutes.
I think we do it under 10. I fucking hope so, or else Kai's gonna make fun of me. I don't know if this fits or not. Oh, I have a really funny clip of me screwing my hand to a table. This part alone has taken me 4 minutes. So showed up unannounced with a pallet and expected me to have a forklift. Do I look like I own a forklift? 16 minutes flattish. If you're a brand owner, you're not using AS Color Heavy Faded or the fucking Relax hoodie. Can you feel that, cameraman? Yeah, imagine a nipple's right there. AS Color's new tagline.
Right there?
Nipple right there. Thanks, Clive.